Hi everyone, today we are diving into JavaScript, a super versatile programming language. So what can we do with JavaScript? Well, the possibilities are endless. You can use it for web development to add cool stuff to your websites, like making buttons do tricks, changing how things look, or updating content dynamically. But that's not all. You can also use JavaScript for things behind the scenes, like handling data and making your websites work smoothly. Now, if you're just starting out, our web development is a great place to focus. Learning JavaScript opens doors to a ton of opportunities. All right, before we dive in, let's set up our tools. We'll be using Visual Studio Code as our text editor. It's user-friendly and it has some awesome extensions to make coding very nice to use. If you don't have it yet, no worries, you can download it. I've got a tutorial link in the description below. Once you've got Visual Studio Code open, create a new folder for your project. I've named mine JavaScript course, and inside I've created a new folder written script, so you can write a script. And inside our JavaScript course, we are going to create a new file and call it index.html. Hit on enter. We are just going to write a simple or a sample text that we are going to use. We won't be doing much with HTML right now, but I'll show you how to link our JavaScript in our index.html file. After creating the index.html file, click on Shift and exclamation mark and then hit on Tab, and it is going to generate a basic HTML structure for us. So in our title here, we are going to write JavaScript because we are going to learn about JavaScript. Now, let's talk about linking our JavaScript. Typically, you might be used to linking style sheets or fonts at the top of your HTML file. But with JavaScript, we need to link our script tags at the bottom, right below the closing body tag. Why? Well, JavaScript often interacts with elements on our page, and placing it at the bottom, we ensure that our HTML elements have loaded before JavaScript tries to work with them. I want us to create another file inside the script folder, and we are going to name this as script.js. Script.js. Our index is supposed to be outside the script, so I'll drag and remove it inside our script folder like that. So inside our script folder, we have a script.js file. We want to link our JavaScript, this script file, our JavaScript with index.html. Write on script and we use the script source. We are going to write inside our script folder, and then we have script.js file. So this is how we link our JavaScript file with our HTML file. Now, let's make our coding experience even more smoother with a couple of extensions. First, search for, here there is this extension tab, click on it and search for Prettier. Just type here Prettier and you can click on it and install Prettier Code Formatter. This handy extension automatically formats your code to make it look clean and organized. Next, install what we call live server. Click on this and then install it here. Mine is disabled because I've already installed it. So install this live server. And this extension saves you the hassle of manually refreshing your browser every time you make a change. When you hit on Control Save, you will watch your changes appear live, or it will just automatically appear live. From this tab, you go back to your Explorer tab so that you're able to view your folders and your files. Now let's write some JavaScript. To see changes in action, we'll use something called the console. In our script.js file, we are going to type in our script.js, we are going to type console.log, and then this parenthesis, and remember to put a semicolon. Inside our console.log, we are going to write hello world, and then exclamation. Then hit on Control Save. Down here, click on Go Live, and it will automatically open our live server. So right click, go to Inspect, and open our console. You can see that our hello world has appeared here. Okay, we had something. We'll comment on this because we don't have the style.css. That's why it's giving us that error. And when we Control Save, you can see that our hello world has appeared here. So what does this console.log mean? To explain it in a way that you can understand, it's like, imagine you have a magical talking box called console. So this box can say whatever you want it to. Now, when you want to tell console to say something, you use a special word, console.log, with this parenthesis and with this semicolon. Okay, it's like giving console a command to speak. For example, let's say you want console to say what? To say your name. So you can say you want console to say your name, and my name is Sarah Wanyeki. You see? So the console, what it does is that it shouts my name here on the console. All right? So console.log with parentheses and the semicolon is like asking your talking box to say something out loud for you to hear. Cool? Right. And that's it for today. In the next video, we'll dive into more exciting stuff like variables and data types. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time. Bye.